How to add black screen on CapCut. There are actually two ways where you can add a black screen here. The first way is by dragging this playhead or clicking in the area on your video where you want to add a black screen. And then, click on the split function on the left-hand side. And now, we have two clips. Let's try dragging the second clip. As you can see, we were not able to move the second clip because by default, our main track magnet is turned on. Turn it off on the right-hand side right here. Now, let's try dragging this second clip again. And there you go. That is the first step or first way to have a black screen in CapCut. Another way is by downloading a black image or background from your browser and importing it to CapCut. Drag the image to the timeline. Cut or split the image to fit the area where you only want the black screen to be. And drag the image again to the main track. Make sure to turn on the main track magnet right here to ensure that there are no spaces in between clips. And there you go. We've learned how to add black screen on CapCut. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.